Hey, this is T. Evans with MarineMax, located in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a nice used Sea Ray. It's a 2002 Sea Ray 220 BR. It has a MarineCruiser 5.0 V8 in it. This is the Sea Ray Blue with a white hull bottom. You can see the gel coat is in very good condition. Take a walk around here and climb aboard. Nice swim deck, of course. Fold down telescopic ladder. You got transom trim on it. Got a very nice sun pad, of course. Got a sidewalk through transom here. Climb aboard. As you see, all the upholstery is in very, very good condition. Again, it's a 2002 model. Cook-captain's chair, very good condition. Dash is in excellent, no cracks, no nothing. All the gauges are very eligible. This boat does have only 350 hours on it. It is a local trade. Nice large bow. Plenty of seating for the family. This boat actually gets up and goes great for a 22-foot boat with a V8 in it. Show you around a little bit. It does have carpet flooring. Carpet's in great condition. Again, this is a 2002 Sea Ray 220 bow rider with a MarineCruiser V8 5.0 motor. If you have any questions, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.